Hello all, welcome to my channel again. I'm Rini and you're watching DIY with Rini. So I hope you watched the part 1 of the living room transformation series, and this is going to be the part 2 video. This is the actual living room transformation. So I am going to show you different ways of pepping up your living room. Before we jump in, just like I always tell you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So to begin with, I'm going to give this couch a makeover with different types of cushions and cushion covers. So this time I got two backrest cushions. I got these covers from an exhibition. It has these leaf designs and it's embroidered with multiple sober colors. So basically I've chosen grey as the theme to transform the living space. So I chose different combinations of colors that will match the theme. I'll be using this pastel blue cushion covers. I have two of them. I found this color to be so different. It's sort of this ice blue, and I think it'll brighten the space since grey is our theme. So I really like it, and it has this crochet kind of a look. It was a little different. So make sure not to always pick up matching colors. Sometimes it tends to be a little boring. Try different variations, keeping in mind the base color. I have these bolster cushions. It's very comfortable when you sit on the sofa. So I picked this blue abstract print cover. It has grey in it and it has a different blue, and I have bought other blue cushions. So I thought this will match, and I also like the little yellow that's in between. It's very comfortable. The material is also very good. Got this from an exhibition. And then there are these little darker shade blue cushions. These are the small ones. And I thought this will sort of match, and this is also threaded, as you can see. And I plan to use two types of curtains. One, the transparent, which will go inside, and then a thicker one. So for the transparent one, I got these. Oh my god, I found this in Home Center. Again, for a super sale discounted price. And this is like a linen curtain. It's a nice blue grey curtain, and I thought it would again blend in with the theme. So this is the combination, the thick grey curtain in the front and a nice bluish grey curtain as the transparent one. So now let's go ahead and arrange the cushions. So I place the bolster cushions first. And then I'll team it up with the darker shade blue cushions. So I'm just thinking where I'll put it. It's better I put it on the side. There's more space to sit. And I'll place this pretty backrest cushion there. And yeah, it started to look so beautiful. So I'm following the same thing for the three-seater sofa as well, but with a small twist. I think the ice blue cushion should go here. Do you see the difference in color? Everything blends so well, though they're all different. This is what I was trying to tell you guys. And then I have this favorite cushion of mine. So right from the curtain there, the difference in color, and then the cushions here, everything blends so well. For the center table, I wanted to give a contrast in color and I wanted to keep the wood look somewhere. So I got this. Now these are two ottoman seats which I got from Amazon for a great deal when there was a sale going on. So I got two of this and I wanted to keep this low seating look also. So I picked this up. So it's never complete without a decor piece on the center table. So I picked this up from Home Center. Oh god, I just loved it with the very first look of it. It's just like some abstract mushroom or something. It's a glass plate and I don't want to stress on this, but I love the deal that I got it for. It is awesome. And then I thought I'd place this is like the Diya, a tea light candle holder. So it will pep up the Diwali look of I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and I'll see you soon with another video.